Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today I will show you how you can get the certificate string value. Okay, so I'll show you step by step. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user from my channel, please subscribe just to motivate me, just to support me. Okay, so let's start now. So suppose I have this certificate. So what you need to do is, just you need to check if your certificate is base 64 encoded certificate or PFX certificate or just a DER encoded certificate. So if certificate will be just DER encoded, you can get the string value of that certificate also, but the content will be not readable. Okay, so what you need to do is just you need to export certificate, or just you need to convert certificate first to PFX mode or base64 encoded mode. What you need to do is to convert the certificate to base64. Just open the certificate, go to details and click to copy to files, click to next, and here you can see DER encoded. So this certificate is DER encoded binary certificate. We need to change it to base64 encoded, so that when we'll get the string value, it will be readable. Okay, I will show you that part also. Click to next. After selecting this base64 encoded, need to click to next, browse, and like name it the certificate IT Parivar hyphen base64. Okay, in same way you need to name the certificate. Click to save, next, and then finish. You can see okay, exported, and here it is. Just say okay, and we have the certificate now, that is base64 encoded. What you need to do is now, just you can copy the path from here, or you can just create a folder base64. Okay, move this to this folder, open, and click here. Okay, just to copy this certificate path, and after base64, just put here backslash. You will, when you press backslash, it will show like this. Don't click here, just use down arrow key button on your keyboard. Okay, it will be look like this. Then do Control A, Control C, just to copy. Okay, so we have now the full path of this certificate. Okay, just close this, open PowerShell on your computer or server. Sorry, PowerShell, and type here command get hyphen content, and then this symbol bracket, and paste again bracket, and hit enter. See, this is readable, and this is the string value, right? So that is why we have converted this DER certificate to the base64 encoded mode, right? If certificate will be just DER, this will be not readable, right? So to get the string, first we need to convert certificate to base64 or PFX mode. Okay, then we can get the string value using this command. Okay, using PowerShell. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if really helpful, please like, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel IT Parivar. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.